Don't do that. Kiki. Kiki. What the hell are you doing, cat? What's wrong with you?
His meow was so cute.
Okay, but what is up with everyone being obsessed with being in my pantry?
Jabinda.
Oh my god.
We're actually like twigs. And it's rotating, so it should be fine.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh! Guess who's on her period?
Leave him alone.
Found some racist ass sheep.
Все, дурки.
This is the domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face.
Oh, you're so cute. You're mine.
Блин.
You're a jerk.
Start, okay. Oh, baby! Oh, oh my god! Oh!
Pipi und Kaki im Pipi-Kaka-Land.
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe. Second of all, you're useless. Third of all, you're not a boss ass bitch. You're a boss ass trashy hoe.
It's a freaking shark with a freaking laser beam attached to its freaking head. Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
It's your turn. It's turn.
Bro, we've been waiting.
We spent 3 hours going with the rules and you don't know what you're doing yet?
You have time to get a Coke, but
Pick up the card. Pick up the card.
This.
Come on! Come on!
Gary, stop it. Gary. Ah, you little c***.
Okay then.
Get down! Sir, get down! Get down!
Deja que coma. Suelta el plato. Suelta el...
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
That was beautiful.
No, it's okay. I got him. Hey, excuse me, buddy. Hey, man, you gotta go home, dude. Yeah, you've been trespassing since yesterday. You happen to have any ID with you?
Jason Troy Adams.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? Ah, what do you want? Please!
You have got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa!
My bad. My bad.
You know what's my favorite type of kitten? A spicy kitten. Oh yeah. You're so mean.
did he accomplish this?
He went through the backside.
Oh, okay. Buddy, that's all sensitive equipment. Oh my, he's climbing! Casey, he's climbing. I don't know what to do.
I can't reach him.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! 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 Parkour!
This is parkour.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
They have we in like a pack of sardines and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Can I get a slushie?
What kind?
A blue one?
Okay, what size?